Good day everybody. I'm going to quickly show you my chai inspired hot chocolate. When the nights are cold and it's winter, we all like to have a warm drink, but you can get tired of drinking the same thing over and over. So I'm going to just show you a twist on a normal hot chocolate, and that makes it really yummy and it's something different. So we're going to just start with about 2 cups of any milk. This is an almond milk, as we don't really do dairy. So we're just adding that into a saucepan. Then we're going to add about 2 spoons of unflavored or unsweetened cacao powder. Yeah, you can do that according to taste, but I feel that about 1.5 to 2 spoons is absolutely perfect. Then I'm going to add a little bit of raw sugar in here. It's about a tablespoon, maybe a little bit less. Okay, so to give us the more chai flavored, we obviously have to add some of the chai inspired flavors into the hot chocolate. So I'm going to start with a bark of some cinnamon. You can use the whole rolled cinnamon if you want to, but I feel that once it's broken up, it actually releases the flavor better. So this is about 1.5 stick of cinnamon bark. Then I'm going to add in a whole aniseed, just to release that very nice flavor to it as well. And then about 4 cloves. You can decide whether you want to have that stronger taste. I feel about 4 to 5 is how we like to do it. And then I'm going to add a little bit of cardamom pods in there. I like to just split them open so that the flavors release. So I will do about 6 of these, so to give it that really nice flavor. And if you soak them, you don't really have to cut them open, but I didn't soak, so we're just going to cut them open. Okay. So then part of this is we're going to add some ginger. I like the fresh ginger. You can add powdered ginger as well. I just feel that the fresh ginger really gives it a nice kick and flavor. So about 4 or 5 slices of nice fresh ginger in there. I'm going to add one more. And then some really good dark chocolate pieces broken up. I've just used the Lindt 70%, but you can use any dark chocolate that you want to. And I've done about 4 blocks of the Lindt that I'm just going to add in here. Again, this is completely open to taste. You can add some more more chocolate. You can also do a milk chocolate if you don't like the dark taste that much. And then lastly, which seems quite strange, but if it is delicious, it's just a pinch of chili. You can use a cayenne pepper as well, but this is like a ghost chili that we just do like literally a little pinch in there, and that's it. Then we're going to move over to the stovetop and just heat it and combine it all well on high heat. And then once it's all combined, we will reduce the heat to about medium until we feel the consistency is ready. And then we will put it into mugs and enjoy. Okay, so on a medium height, we are just stirring slowly and making sure that all the flavors and ingredients are combining. We're stirring continually to ensure that it doesn't burn. And then once it's to that almost boiling point, we're going to remove it and just serve it up. Okay, so the hot chocolate is done. It's combined, it's hot, and it smells absolutely heavenly. So I'm just going to remove most of the little pieces of the chai elements with a slotted spoon, because we don't want that in our hot chocolate. Okay, and then we're just going to dish it up. So I'm still going to strain it because there's still little pieces of seeds and stuff in the hot chocolate. But yeah, so I'm straining it to ensure that we've got a smooth, silky hot chocolate. And now all that's left is to add the last finishing touches. That is completely unnecessary, but just give us already very decadent hot chocolate the last little bit of added spice. So this is just a non-dairy cream that I've whipped up with a little bit of sugar added to it. Okay, then for purely garnish sake, I'm going to put in a little bit of cinnamon bark. And then I've got a little bit of a dark chocolate left. So I'm just going to put some shavings of hot chocolate on top. And here we go. This is a lovely alternative for a normal hot chocolate and to just add something different to the boring old hot chocolate. And here's our finished order.